Carbon monoxide alarms save lives, but their loud beeping can be alarming. In this video, we'll show you how to silence the alarm, whether it needs new batteries or there's a real CO leak, and guide you on how to stay safe. Silencing the alarm. A pattern of 4 beeps followed by a short pause indicates an emergency. If you hear this pattern, it means your CO alarm has detected dangerous amounts of carbon monoxide, and you need to evacuate the building immediately. Press and hold the Test Silence button for 5 seconds to reset, but be aware it may beep again if CO levels stay high. The button may be labeled Test Silence, Mute, Reset, or similar, so check your user manual for specifics. A single beep every 30 to 60 seconds means the alarm battery is low. Twist the alarm counterclockwise to remove it from the wall. Replace the battery, most use 9-volt, AA, or AAA. Wait 30 seconds before inserting the new one, matching the positive ends. Reattach the alarm and hold the test button until it beeps. If it still beeps with a fresh battery, the alarm may need replacing. A continuous beep or random chirps means there's a power issue. Depending on your model, you'll hear beeping when the alarm is unplugged or there's a power outage, a wiring problem, or an issue with the CO sensor. If your power and wiring are working fine and the alarm is still squealing, call a professional to inspect the device and consider replacing it. To stop the sound, ensure the alarm is fully plugged in and wires are secure. Reconnect it or tape any frayed wires. Clean the air filter with a damp cloth, but don't get the alarm wet. Emergency procedures. If your carbon monoxide alarm goes off, evacuate your home immediately with your family. If you can't exit, move to an open window or fire escape for fresh air. You can silence the alarm on your way out, but it's not required. Do a head count once outside to ensure everyone is safe. Open windows and doors as you leave to help ventilate, but don't go out of your way, just open what you pass. If evacuation isn't possible, open as many windows and doors as you can to increase airflow. CO spreads easily since it mixes with air. Turn off any fuel-burning appliances like stoves, heaters, or furnaces only if you pass them on your way out and feel well enough to do so. These appliances can produce carbon monoxide through incomplete combustion. Call 911, even if you think it might be a false alarm. Emergency crews will check for CO, shut off the source, and ventilate your home. Do not re-enter until professionals confirm it's safe. Signs of carbon monoxide poisoning. Watch for flu-like symptoms such as headache, nausea, dizziness, or weakness. These can quickly worsen and become life-threatening. Call 911 immediately if symptoms appear, especially for the elderly, pregnant, ill, or intoxicated, who are more vulnerable. Common symptoms are headache, weakness, dizziness, nausea, shortness of breath, confusion, blurred vision, and loss of consciousness. Carbon monoxide poisoning occurs when carbon monoxide replaces oxygen in your blood. Fixing leaks. Call a professional to inspect all fuel-burning appliances before using them and avoid common culprits like furnaces or stoves until checked. Replace faulty units if needed, as emergency 911 crews only shut off the CO source, not repair it. And alarm testing. Test your carbon dioxide alarm once a month by holding the test button until it beeps. If it doesn't sound or is weak, replace the batteries and try again. If the alarm still doesn't work, replace the unit. To test the CO sensor itself, use CO detector spray as directed. Thanks for watching.